What's up, everybody? My name is Raf. I'm back. I'm the CEO of Raf's Coaching LLC, and we're back with another episode 6 of Raf's Whiteboard. Today, we're going to take you through how to get approved for the American Express Blue Cash Card. We're going to go through the steps today of how to get approved, setting yourself up for the application process so you have the best come out of the approval, what the card offers, and some of its benefits. So let's jump right in. All right. So the American Express Blue Cash credit card, the very first thing you're going to need with this application, we'll go through the steps today, is your EIN number. So you will need your business EIN number to start the application process. Now this application for the American Express Blue Cash credit card will also ask you for personal guarantor information. So you will be a PG, which is a personal guarantor, that will need your social security number and other personal info for the application. Now, the great thing, if you're approved for the American Express Blue Cash credit card, it will not pop up on your personal credit report, only on your business credit report. So that's definitely a plus, definitely separates the credit reports from personal and business. So EIN, PG is required. They will also want your business income. So I definitely recommend to apply for this business credit application after the first year of being in business, because you're gonna need the business income. Now that can be generated within a year, but you probably get that number on your tax return when you do your business. So I'm gonna recommend 1 year before you actually go into this application process. Now with the PG, it will require a personal credit score of minimum of 680 plus for the approval. So that is a super important piece to it. So ensure that before you take this application step with your PG, you're at that 680 personal credit score. And of course, the last thing they'll ask you is business info as well. So business information, address, income, what you do, industry, employee size, and such forth. Okay, so that's the steps of the application. Now, what does the card give you, right? On approval, I'll put in here credit card benefits. Pretty cool with the American Express. For the very first year, we're looking at 0% APR for the first year. After that, it could range 18% to 26%, depending on the approval of your application and your credit with the business and on the personal side. So really cool, 0% APR for the first year, which is definitely a plus. Not a lot of no annual fee as well, so that's awesome. 0% annual fee, I'll put that in there. No application fee, that's also really cool. After the first year, you're at 18 to 20%, 26%. Second thing of the card benefit that offers is 2% cash back on that first year. Up to $50,000. So that's really cool. 2% will come back on you on the cash back. After that 1 year, you're looking at 1%. And then check out also the website too. They think they're doing a credit card statement. So the other great thing I love about American Express, with their business customers, you can go for that credit increase after 90 days. So on day 91, you can go in, ask for a credit line increase. As long as these are in place, you'll get that credit card increase limit for your business. You can definitely do it after 6 months. Again, always make sure you're under that 30% usage, even on the business side, so you can ensure that you're gonna get those credit limits. And then voila, there you go. That's how you get approved for the American Express Blue Cash credit card. EIN number, personal guarantor, it will ask you for your social security number, your personal info. You're gonna need your business income, so I definitely recommend after a year, after you do your business tax return, so you can get your gross number. of how much you made for the year. Personal credit score has to be at a 680 minimum or above. And then your business info, industry, things of that sort. Some of the credit benefits, again, 0% APR the first year. Ding, ding, that's a plus. 0% annually. After that, you're anywhere between 18 to 26 APR after the first year. Big plus, 2% cash back on all purchases up to $50,000. That's a big win. After that, you're looking at 1%. And then you also could get a credit card statement credit within the first year as well. All right, there you have it. If you need help, the guy's here for you. Raf Coaching LLC is the handle. Feel free to visit us for more business service and products at rafcoachingllc.net. If you haven't already, make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel. We'll be back next week for episode 7. Tune in. Peace.